How to stop Google Chrome from opening pop-ups in new tab on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to make sure that you have installed Google Chrome in your device. Once installed, open it up. Log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the three dot. Swipe this option and then select Settings. Inside Settings, you simply want to go ahead and scroll down. Tap on Content Settings. Now look for Block Pop-ups and then make sure it is on. Also check pop-up and redirect and make sure they are disabled or blocked. This helps stop website from forcing new tabs or unwanted pop-up pages. If you're still seeing pop-ups, you can head back to settings and then clear browsing data like cookies or site data. This can remove any stored script causing the issue. And finally, restart Chrome and then test again by opening a website. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.